Oh, that's weird. Nobody knows that.
Campus. We're headed to San Jose now. City there cleaning up its act with a beautifying project set into motion by the city. KCBS's Mary Hughes has details.
We have to look and feel like a city that is safe and clean.
That's San Jose Mayor Matt Mahan, and he, along with Caltrans and Beautify SJ, are hoping to get to a cleaner and safer San Jose with the Clean Gateways Initiative, a project that wants to improve how some of the city's most visible areas look and feel. And they're starting with downtown San Jose at Santa Clara Street and Highway 87.
It is so important that when residents come home to downtown, visitors come to our downtown to enjoy an evening out, to go to a performance, it's important that they are greeted by gateways to downtown that are welcoming.
That means a focus on landscaping, planting trees and shrubs and flowers, laying down mulch, even painting utility boxes. The beautifying doesn't begin and end with the downtown, though. Mayor Mahan says this is one of 11 clean gateways that will be worked on throughout the year. Mary Hughes, KCBS.
We're 2 minutes away from the KCBS Sports Line. Matt has breaking Warriors news, and he says it isn't good.
Do you wear glasses and need readers? CLR from Laser Eye Center of Silicon Valley can be your permanent solution. Learn about custom lens replacement at their free live webinar December 8th. Dr. Craig Bimby and his team will explain CLR, how it's different than LASIK, who's a good candidate, and how much it costs. This free live webinar is Friday, December 8th at noon. CLR, no glasses, no contacts, no readers. Register at lasereyeclr.com. Lasereyeclr.com. It's Just Lunch presents a holiday dating fantasy.
I'll be yours for the holidays if you'll just ask me in.
Like that's gonna happen. Call the dating experts at It's Just Lunch. They get to know you personally and match you with a great date for lunch or drinks after work. Happy holidays from It's Just Lunch. Real people, real dates.
Visit itsjustlunchsanfrancisco.com today. It's Just Lunch. Connection awaits with guaranteed dates.
For the ones who get it done, the most important part is the one you need now. And the best partner is the one who can deliver. That's why millions of maintenance and repair pros trust Grainger, because we have professional-grade supplies for every industry, even hard-to-find products. And we have same-day pickup and next-day delivery on most orders. But most importantly, we have an unwavering commitment to help keep you up and running. Call, go to Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
This holiday season, find all kinds of deals at Target. Discover sweet deals on toys and small appliances, big deals on clothing and beauty, plus so much more. At Target, get what you need for the holidays. Find those deals each week for everyone on your list, and get it all fast with free drive-ups, score low prices, and great deals all season long. Now at Target. Exclusions apply. Like this before.
Coming up on KCBS.
Jason Brooks on the Money Watch. Tesla is looking to pick up some new customers.
We need to move over to the Bay Area Chevy Dealers Sports Desk. Matt Pittman is there. What on earth do you have from the Warriors?
They've lost 8 of 10. First 18 games this season, they are 8-10. Last night, what a gut punch. 7 seconds to go. Malik Monk hit the game winner, knocking the Warriors out of the in-season tournament. And moments ago, senior NBA insider Shams Charania of The Athletic breaking the news that Warriors guard Gary Payton II has suffered a torn right calf and is out indefinitely.
Ouch.
Big part of what the Warriors want to do when they're playing at their best. It happened late in the fourth quarter, and listen to Tim Roy's call, and you can tell right away something's not right.
Out to Fox, shot clock and board, takes the three, slides it home. Good defense, but better offense. Just got to tip your cap there. 10-point lead, and Peyton's hurt. CP2 is limping up the floor. Oh my goodness. And the Warriors have to take another timeout.
Yeah, Gary was right up the tunnel, and we did not see him return. Another injury concern, Chris Paul left the game earlier with all we know to be a lower body injury of some sort. Still waiting to get some word on that. So now that the Warriors have been eliminated from the in-season tournament, the 22 teams who don't qualify for the quarterfinals, that includes the Warriors, got to add 2 games to their schedule to round out their 82-game schedule, right? So the Warriors added a home game and a road game. They will play at home on December 6th against the Portland Trailblazers, travel to Oklahoma City December 8th to take on the Thunder. And Patty, they've announced that this December 6th game against the Blazers at 7 will be Draymond Green bobblehead night. And they sent an image, and I want you to look at this. And this is a serious question. What in the world? Is that him supposed to be like podcast Draymond?